Most gardens die in winter, but smart growers are harvesting fresh food every single week. This garden looked empty 30 days ago. Today it is overflowing with greens, roots, and non-stop harvests. The difference is not luck. It is knowing which vegetables love the cold. Today I will show you 15 hardy vegetables that grow better in winter, survive cold weather, and keep feeding you while most gardens stop producing, whether you are a backyard gardener or trying to save money on groceries. These crops can turn winter into your most productive season and stay until the end. Because one crop becomes sweeter after frost, kale is one of the strongest winter vegetables. Frost actually improves flavor by increasing natural sugars in the leaves. Harvest outer leaves first, and it keeps producing. Radishes can be ready in just 3 weeks. Cool soil keeps roots crisp and mild. Plant small batches every 2 weeks for non-stop harvests. Spinach thrives in cool weather and keeps producing tender leaves when summer crops fail. Carrots become sweeter in winter because cold converts starch into sugar. Leave them in the ground and harvest only when needed. Green onions regrow quickly after cutting and are perfect for beds or containers. Collards are cold hardy and keep producing large nutritious leaves through winter. Loose leaf lettuce is ideal for winter. Harvest the outside leaves and let the center regrow. Mustard greens grow fast and bring bold flavor during cold months. Plant garlic cloves in cool weather now for large bulbs next season. Plant potatoes in raised beds late winter for strong summer harvests. Peas love cold weather and reward you with sweet pods before heat arrives. Onions grow slowly but reward patient gardeners with bulbs that store for months. Arugula grows quickly in winter and adds a peppery premium flavor to salads. Turnips become sweeter after cold weather, and both roots and leaves are edible. Plant asparagus crowns in winter, and they can feed you for years if winter vegetables fail. It is usually not the cold. It is wet soil. Cold wet roots lose oxygen and begin to rot. Raised beds and compost-rich soil solve this problem fast, while other gardens sit empty. Yours can be producing kale, spinach, carrots, peas, onions, and more. Winter is not the dead season. It is the hidden harvest season. Now that you know what to plant in winter, the next mistake most growers make is feeding these crops incorrectly. Too much fertilizer creates weak growth and bitter leaves. Watch my next video. Perfect winter fertilizer system to grow faster, sweeter, stronger vegetables.